So, hi, I am Amogh. So, we're now going to remove the petals because we have to mix hibiscus water, and this is the hibiscus flower.
Yeah. So
For
remove.
this, we are going to add hibiscus.
Petals to that bowl.
Yeah.
Put the petals in the bowl.
Alright, so I'm going to remove and one miss.
Amogh, can you help him remove the petals? Show him how to remove the petals.
So much of hibiscus is coming on me. Remove it from down the back. Can you remove that? Remove it like this. You remove. Yeah, take this. So now we're going to add the hibiscus into this, and then we're going to add water into that.
Okay.
So-
Put all the petals.
So, boom, bang. Well, let's set up that. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, boop, boop. Bang, boop. Now we're going to add water. Ooh, this might be a ripper. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay. Now we will boil it. I will boil it and give. Okay.
Okay, so this but
We'll be back.
We're back. So my name is Amogh again. We are sorry. My name is Amogh.
Squeeze it on
My
this.
name is not.
We are squeezing the lemon now.
Yeah, we're squeezing one and we'll squeeze.
Do you need help?
No. Damn.
Is it falling into the cup?
Yeah. How?
How does it taste?
It tastes so sour.
Okay.
Hi everyone. So this is hibiscus water. Well, it's hot.
Okay.
And this is lemon water.
Okay.
Wow. And this is salt water. Well, mix you three.
Okay.
Now it's mixed. Do, 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 do.
Okay, now you add 1 spoon. No, don't mix it. Don't use the same spoon for both. That's why I gave you different spoons. Okay. Okay. Put 1 spoon of hibiscus water to lemon water, lime juice. Let's see what happens. Put 1 spoon. Don't.
Alright, so we will put this.
No, Kunda.
So we're putting this.
Okay.
Now look, it's gone red.
It became red, right? So beautiful. Wow.
Yeah.
Just mix it with that spoon.
Just,
Yeah.
And well, mix.
Wow,
mix,
the
mix.
lime juice, which was almost colorless, became red. Okay. Now you add 1 spoon of hibiscus water to the soap water.
This is hibiscus water. I'm gonna add this into that.
Okay.
So I
Put 1 more spoon.
So this is becoming a color just like what this one, but it's kind of brown.
Okay. Put 1 more spoon of this one.
Now let's put 1 more spoon of this one. And we pick that. Oh my god.
Put it back and let's mix and see what color it will be.
Whoa, look at it. It's mixed color. It's mixed
Okay.
color.
Let's do one thing, because it did not become green color. We will put some detergent powder and see what happens. Okay.
Yeah, get ready.
Start.
And we'll see which color. Add it.
What are you adding?
Detergent. Okay.
Add 1 spoon, Anaga. Okay, stop. Amogh, mix it now. Let's see.
Mixing.
The liquid detergent was blue in color. Hibiscus water was kind of purple.
It didn't change.
There is no change. I think that's why detergent is a base and lime juice is acidic in nature because it changed the color.
Now, so this kind of changed about this. See? Look at it.
Did it change?
Yeah,
I
see?
think it's the same like hibiscus water, right? Look at the hibiscus water. It is a little dark, but yeah.
What's that? Some of this?
Good job, Amogh. Did you enjoy the experiment?
Yeah, now let's start with
Powder. Okay, go and get it. But for the time being, let's say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Amogh,
Okay.
you want to put the powder and show?
Yeah, you keep doing the video until I
Hmm.
come back and I put the powder to two of this. This
Okay.
stuff.
Okay.
I'm back and now we're starting with the powder. This is the last one.
Okay.
So, well, we're gonna put powder into two of this, okay? See?
What happened when you put powder to the detergent and hibiscus solution?
It changed. Look at that.
It changed?
Yeah, see? It's become like this.
Okay.
Now, this is the next one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, this is the last one.
Okay.
Let's mix it. Let's wait for it.
Okay, we are done.
No.
No changes when we put powder, right? What happened,
look
Amogh?
what- It changed again. See? It changed into white and red.
Okay. Can you say thanks for watching and bye-bye?
Yeah.
Mm.
Bye bye.